In this video, we'll show you how you can sync Smart Admin Portal with ClassLink so that you can easily provide teachers with access to your school's smart software subscriptions. There are different ways you can add users to Smart Admin Portal and then provide those users with access to smart software subscriptions, or in other words, to provision those users. One of those ways involves syncing Smart Admin Portal with your school's ClassLink account so that you can import lists of teachers from ClassLink into Smart Admin Portal and keep those lists up to date in Smart Admin Portal as you make changes to them in ClassLink. To get started with syncing Smart Admin Portal and ClassLink, go to console.oneroster.com and sign in with your OneRoster credentials. Next, select All Applications from the Apps tab. Click the Add button and type Smart in the search bar. When the Smart Admin Portal app appears, click the Add button beside the search result. When prompted, define the permissions you want Smart to have when accessing your ClassLink data. Select Rule-Based Permission and add a rule to choose permissions based on the roster data, or select Full Permissions to include all users in sync. Next, you need to find your tenant ID in ClassLink. Go to launchpad.classlink.com and sign in with your credentials. Next, select ClassLink Management Console. Your tenant ID appears in the upper left corner. Copy the ID to your clipboard to paste into Smart Admin Portal. When this is done, sign into Smart Admin Portal and click Manage Users in the row for the software for which you want to provision users. In this example, we'll provision users for Lumio Standard Plan. Click Add Users and then click ClassLink OneRoster. If any existing users have been provisioned for the software, be aware that syncing a list of teachers from ClassLink will remove those users and replace them with the list of teachers. Type the tenant ID you copied from ClassLink and click Import. You might have to wait up to 24 hours to see the list of teachers. Be aware that the sync between Smart Admin Portal and ClassLink happens once a day, and once you've set up your sync, you can no longer add users using other methods. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the Smart Support YouTube channel and watch for more videos about Smart Admin Portal. Thanks for watching.